Starting this semester, Purdue has become the last Big Ten university to have a student legal services office. An attorney will be present for students to utilize in any legal cases from landlord-tenant problems to criminal issues. Already, the Legal Services Office has helped over 60 students and is filling up with appointments.
About half and half as far as criminal issues and landlord-tenant issues. Those are the two main ones. I've talked to students about, getting a minor consumption ticket or a public intoxication charge and what they're going to face when they go to court, what type of offer the prosecutor might offer them. I tell them the consequences as far as their criminal history, their criminal records go, things like that.
It's an opportunity for students who are facing common legal problems to meet with a licensed attorney and get some advice and consultation on how to handle those situations. In addition, the program will also offer a lot of outreach to students about their legal rights and responsibilities that they have.
This process of bringing legal services to campus for students began 3 years ago with former PSG President Brett Hiley, who ran this service on his platform. His successor, Joe Russ, continued his work by initially bringing to campus an attorney who visited a few times a month.
He struggled a little bit with the funding, to find funding, whether it was through the Student Affairs Office or even student activity fees, or etc. So funding kind of was his barrier. And then finally with my year, when we developed the student activity fee, it created an opportunity for this position to actually be funded. And so we kind of took what he created and the platform that he laid down, and as far as the job description, what kind of person we're looking for, what the job would entail, things like that, and to combine that with the student activity fee as the funding. And that's when we made it a reality with that.
The legal office does provide a great service to students on campus. However, it does have some shortcomings, meaning that students can't use the office for all of their legal needs.
There will be some conflicts of interest. For example, if it's a student versus another student, then technically they would both be my client and I can't give both of them legal advice against the other. So that would be a conflict of interest. If the adverse party is Purdue affiliated, for example, if you work for Purdue and you feel like you were unfairly fired, that's a conflict because Purdue is my employer.
The Legal Services Office hopes to grow in the next few years by extending its services to graduate students as well, and hopefully employing more attorneys for students to work with. This could mean an actual representation at court, as well as specialized lawyers for housing problems, criminal issues, and even international visa dilemmas.
I just hope that they will come to me first before they seek out a private attorney in town. I do have a list of attorneys that I can refer them to if there's a legal issue that I can't help them with, but there's a lot of areas that I can help them. So I really hope that they will take advantage of the service that they are paying for.
Monday through Friday by appointment, and is located in the basement of Schliemann Hall. Reporting for Fast Track, I'm Lauren Westberg.